everybody, Blessed Chick here. Today I'm showing you this beautiful Aroma Diffuser by TurnRaise. It's the Ultrasonic Aroma Humidifier and for essential oils, and it also has some beautiful lights. You can see that it's this wonderful wood grain finish. It's just beautiful. Right off the bat, one thing that I don't love about it, but still not that big of a deal, is that, see where the cord is? Those are right where your mister and light buttons are, so I almost wish it was kind of in the back instead of right in the front, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. It comes with instructions. Of course, it comes with the lid. It comes with a cup. So I'm going to go ahead and put some water in there. And it is getting dark. It's about bedtime, so I'm going to use some lavender. Let's pour some right in there. Got my lavender essential oils right there. Just put a couple, 3 drops right in. Gonna close it up. Just goes on right like that. The mister is the button on the bottom. And it's got 2 modes. It's got the first time you press it, whoop, there we go, sorry about that. I knew something wasn't right. Okay, the bottom is the light. I was confused. I was like, what's going on? Okay, so the bottom changes the lights, or you can just press it once and go to continuous. The top, now it's off. Now it's on. The first time you press it, it's on, it goes on for 3 minutes, turns off for 1. If you press it again, it turns to continuous mode. Let's turn off the light so you can see it better. It's already filled up my whole room, the whole bathroom. It's gorgeous. It's really nice to look at during the day, and it's going to be a fun nighttime bedside light. I've got it here in the bathroom just because, but I am going to move it into the bedroom. And you don't have to use it with the light at all if you don't want. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.